Next our concept is integration and enterprise systems. So we don't have any figures, but we will move to directly into the next point. Process orchestration means a number of business process running in parallel and a number of process running in sequence. So your process orchestration is one of a new concept. It means a number of business process running in parallel and a number of process running in sequence. So business process parallel and number of process in sequence is called as process or orchestration. The process matrix provides the decision points which indicates which process should run in parallel and in which sequence. The process matrix provides the decision points. Here the process matrix provides the decision point in which the process should run parallel and in which sequence. Which process should be run parallel and in which sequence has to be decided by the process matrix. And service oriented architecture models the number of service and interrelationship. By using the SOA models, we are identifying the number of services and interrelationship among the services of a process. Each service initiates on receipts of a message from a process or service. By using these number of services, each services initiates a number of receipt of a message. So it provides a message, it acknowledges a message from a process or service. So it will give definitely it will give a receipt of a message. Receipt of a message means either acknowledgement or it is a notification to the service provider, either a service or who the user as. The service discovery and selection software component select the service for application integration. The service discovery and selection software components, by using these, selects the service for application integration. By using these software schemas, by using the components, we can select the service for application integration. So whenever you are integrating the application, you have to use service discovery and selection software components. Service orchestration software coordinates the execution of number of service, cloud IoT service and web services. By using this service orchestration software, it coordinates the execution of the number of services. So it coordinates means cooperates the execution of number of services. As we say in the previous points, there are a number of services, a number of processes are running in parallel, number of business process and a number of process in sequence. So in the same sense, it executes the number of services. That services may be a cloud service or cloud IoT service and web service. So these kinds of services can be executed by coordinating. All this coordination is possible by using the service orchestration softwares. Service run in parallel and a number of process in sequence. So whatever the service is providing, it will run in parallel and the process in sequence.